Watch me lash this Pounamu breastplate. I'm going to use 6 strands of white Waxcord. It's about 2.5 millimeters long. I positioned the breastplate into this vise. So when I thread through the 6 strands, I have 12, 6 on both sides. So I plait 3, 3 and 3, and I leave 3 single strands out. I put them onto a needle and I thread from the bottom of the lash of the plait to position here. I'm going to plait about 8 across the top here, and I stop when I'm just below the hole in this breastplate. So I hold 2 strands, and the other strand I thread it through the hole, and then I bring it back through the middle, and I pull it from the top, and I do this on the opposite side. And then again on the other side until I have done it 4 times in the one hole. You can do it as many times as you like. And you start the process again. You plait from the top until you stop at the hole below, and you do your loop. I'll put it in the description where I purchased my wax cords from here in New Zealand. So I'm coming up to the second to last hole, I should say. When I've completed this last one, I'm going to add 3 more strands through this last hole, and that will give 6. And so I plait 3, 3 and 3. And there's the 3 going through, and I divide them, and I fast plait until I'll cut off here. And then I'm going to add a ball, a round Pounamu ball, drilled in the middle, and this is for my adjustable. And I plait the 2 ends separately. You can burn off if you want to. And this is easier to adjust the length, and especially if you're wearing a large Pounamu breastplate like this. I just pull it up and pull the bead down, and it's quite secure. Thank you.